Now let's see about the object-oriented programming. So it contains class, object and function. That's it. Almost everything in Python is an object with its properties and methods. A class is like an object constructor or a blueprint for creating the objects. Then you can think about the any object surrounding. It has some planning, it has some design which we call as a blueprint. Now the constructor you can think about, it is used for initialization of any values. So that's it. So we use a different constructor in different languages, like we are using just a name of define initialization, which is init, init, that's it. But in case of JavaScript, we use the constructor name. Now object, everything surrounding you is called an object. An object is a simply collection of data variables and methods functions that act on those data. Similarly, a class is a blueprint for that object. We can think of a class as a sketch prototype of a house. It contains all the detail about the floors, doors, window, etc. And based upon that description, we can build the house. Now let's talk about the function. Function is a block of code which only runs when it is being called. So we can pass the data known as the parameters into the function, so function can return data as a result. You can think about also it act as a smartphone. So if you are using a smartphone would be your object, and you, if you are opening an application, that would be your function, and the smartphone's design would be your blueprint. So this is called as object oriented programming. So we have gone through the overview, or just we say basics. Now we have to head to the coding section as well. So let's see in the coding section.